Welcome to Timberland Farms. My name's Anthony. As you can see, I'm back at George's place with Full Creek Farms, helping him. Off the side of the camera here, you can't really see right now, but we're gonna finish up the lean-to addition. We're halfway through his build here. That's gonna be for his sawmill. We gotta put some purlins on there, finish up the rafters, and get that ready for metal tomorrow. So we're gonna get into this. You'll have to see in a future video of putting the metal on, but once we're done with the purlins and stuff, I guess we can probably work on some stuff for the firewood operation. But let's get into it. This is the most amount of bees that I've ever seen on this property. Well, they're also longer, which means they're also a little heavier too. Yep. This one's a little on the long side.
this one's for this one down here.
Yeah, cut it short.
Cut short.
1/4 inch short.
Huh?
So we got all of our rafters cut on the bottom there. We got all of our purlins on. We test fit a sheet of metal there to see where we're going to cut these purlins. This rafter right here, the very first rafter, that's in a good spot. So is the second one. So we wanted to put the metal up there, make sure those are in the right spot. And tomorrow morning, we're going to chop through those purlins to get them squared up with the face and stack some metal on there. But that'll be for another video. Time to work on a firewood rack.
Alright, so we're starting early in the morning tomorrow.
Yep. The other side's not square. You're gonna make it square.
Put it on the back side.
No, it's there's sides. There's no back.
That's it. It should be 16 inches too.
Leave a center open a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, then they'll dry.
Where'd the tape measure go? Oh, like 15 inch?
Yeah.
Anything for the bottom, just two?
One on each side, just two.
Or three?
Two.
Well, we got the base done. You gotta add some, probably 2x6s on the side here for the rest of the framework. We got the base done. But I think this is a good enough spot to call it a day. It's about 6 o'clock at night right now, and it's gonna get dark probably half an hour. So we'll get back up on this again tomorrow, and also put a roof on George's barn behind you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Hopefully we finish this thing up and all done with hay for the season. We need to move on to firewood.